Hi everyone, a quick video on the ASUS Router guest network, and specifically how to make sure if you've got an AiMesh network set up that the guest network goes across all of the different mesh nodes. So I added this mesh node to my network recently. This is an RP-AX58. Turned on the guest Wi-Fi and I noticed that none of the guest devices were connecting to this mesh node. So I wanted to show you how to do that. So first thing you want to do is click on the guest network. Once you're into guest network, choose whether you want a 2.4 or 5 gig guest network. So once you've got that guest network enabled, select the guest network anywhere just to enter the edit mode. And you can see here at the bottom it says guest network on AiMesh. So you've got the option to allow that on the router only or on all nodes. So make sure that that's enabled because if you try to do it by the app, so if I just show you quickly, if I open up the ASUS Router Android app and you click on settings and then on Wi-Fi and share your Wi-Fi and share with friends, there's no option, as you can see, to enable share the guest network on the AiMesh. So this has to be done on the router itself. So anyway, I thought I'd just share that with you. Quite useful if you can share the AiMesh node with the guests on your network. Anyway, hope that helps. If it does, please consider subscribing, maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everyone.